Today is December 2, Monday. The time is 4:51 in the evening. Oh wow, ganda-ganda. Grabe yung ilaw dito. Sobrang ganda-ganda ng ilaw dito. Puno sa ilaw. Grabe. Grabe puno sa ilaw. There's a lot of lights. I don't know where to get the picture of it now. Doon pa, marami doon. Oh my God, that's so nice. December 2, 2024. Time is 4:53. 4:53. Pero madilim na pag. Oh wow. That's wow over here. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Okay, 360 ko para makita niyo lahat. Yung nakita ko. Makita rin niyo. Marami pang ilaw doon sa loob. Dito lang to sa labas eh. Kaya 360 ko lang. See? Kaya 360 na yan ha. Putayin ko na. Ang dami-dami oh.